Hello guys, welcome back on the technology welfare. Let's learn and what's with practical English video tutorial. When any Apple device that's been stuck on a especially Apple logo and not forwarding, not backwarding, not restarting, not looping, anything is not happening, just it's a freeze on Apple logo. What's the remedy of solutions? I open iTunes guys, and of course I have the connected data cable, and thereupon of course I close iTunes, and once again I yeah, open iTunes, but it's not being detected. So what's the remedy for it? Quickly, if you would like to have the solution, don't worry, nothing happens. It happens sometimes due to bug or iOS has been damaged due to that. Just simply we have to disconnect, and as we see, this is a yes power button, this is up volume, and this is a down. So what we have to do, just quickly up, down, and keep holding till it's not going to restart. Just keep holding. If it's not taken, then see, quickly you will have to execute. So up, down, then yes, quickly we will have to hold. It's not taken, so just a proper we will have to up, down, then hold. Now it's taken guys. So this strategy you will have to open. Now see, it will go automatically in DFU mode. So now easy to here, just quickly you will have to up, down, and keep holding this on off key or power key. Now see, this iTunes has been detected properly. Now you would like to restore, yes you can update of course, and it will be rebooted. So now easy solution for it quickly we have gotten. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. This will be applicable on above the iOS, especially 12, or of course above the iPhone, that is iPhone 8. Furthermore inquiry or any kind of the assistance or helps, of course plainly raise the query below the comment box. The pleasure would be mine to the reply of the query. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys. Bye bye.